boss, I dey go ring road.
They go ring road now.
Oga carry me, I no be cab dey drive. Abeg.
Make I carry cab, enter cab.
Oga no vex now. I dey enter cab now. No dey look me like that. Oga please.
Come, if you enter cab, the cab dey reach where they go.
Which kind talk be that now? Oga please now.
I said money, no passenger.
Abeg.
Enter sha. But this one I want to so na risk oh.
Abeg.
Enter.
Thank you.
Na risk.
God bless you, sir.
No be me get this motor, na balance I carry oh.
Oga, all you dey your head oh.
You know, you know.
Waiting this one, Papa, they talk for you.
I talk this thing now. I talk this thing. My tire don't go down now.
Oga, maybe your tire get problem before.
You know, guys, my tire no get the problem. No motor dey dry. You no get problem. I know they like this kind of thing. See now, see. I know they like am. See now, see.
No, wow. This is not the first time this thing dey happen, no.
Now, yes, na the first time it dey happen with this. We need to find organizer now. More find organizer, more pump am. I no go fit drop it for the middle of the road now.
Thank you, sir.
Which kind of wahala be this now? This na the second time tire dey less be this. Vulcanizer pump tire, vulcanizer pump. Jesus, see, Jesus. Hey, God, which kind of Jesus? Hey, sorry, sir. My tire less. Which kind one? Which kind area be this now? Which kind? Now so they think the person say tire don less. Now so they think the person say tire don less. Which kind thing be this?
Oga, no vex abeg.
Which kind thing be this? This are the 10 tire dey less. This are the 10 tire dey less. Which kind of that one I talk? I don't tire. I don't tire to the pump tire. I don't tire to pump tire.
You don't know why it's going on.
Okay, I don't finish. Yes, I don't finish. Thank you, sir.
Everything is okay now.
Thank you. No worry, keep the chain. No worry, I just want to come up for you. I beg. Thank you.
Man, you very wicked. See the way you just left me. See how he left me.
Madam, why you know? Why you
I'm already late.
Wow. All these rides then where you see that they no sure.
Okay, no,
you go order for OSR rides. Now then they rain now. Now then get better cars. No even know this kind of car. Clean cars. Then they Lagos. Then they Abuja. Then they Asaba. Then they Port Harcourt.
They get up.
Yes now. Just enter your Apple Play Store or your Google Play Store. Download the OSR app. OSR rides app. It's simple. You fill in your information. Once you fill in your information, you navigate to the OSR share button. You go see rides, no problem. Very easy. Yes.
Thank you, bros.
Don't mention, madam. Your ride don't come now.
Hello, madam. This is OSR Ride. Are you Miss Jessica?
Yes, it's me.
Yes,
all right,
Nashi.
Hop in.
Nashi, madam, yeah, enter.
Jesus.
Bye to Yeye Ride. Welcome to OSR Ride. The Oga Pata of them all.
This is your destination, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. I'm aware.
Thank you for using OSR Cruise.
I enjoyed the ride.
Thank you.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the best ride right now in town, the OSR Cruise. The OSR Cruise is a ride-hailing and ride-sharing app that gives you access to cheap ride. The OSR Cruise app allows you to negotiate your price with the driver, which means you can negotiate with any driver you want and get the cheapest out of it. And boom, your destination, here you comes. Now, this is the good news. Do you know that you can ride alone or share your ride with others to make your fare even more cheaper? You don't see that kind of ride before. Now, the OSR Cruise app is quite easy to use. Just download the app from your Google or iOS app store and sign up. After signing up, enter your destinations and you get hundreds of drivers waiting to take you there. Now, this is for drivers. For drivers, simply download the OSR Cruise Drivers app and sign up and you'll get hundreds of riders waiting to ride with you. So what are you waiting for? Now, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the OSR Cruise, the Ogak Patapata of them all, and the General Vasia of them all. Sir, please, I enjoyed this ride.
Thank you.
And please, I don't want this to be my destination. Can you take me to success?
With all pleasure, sir.
OSR, the Ogak Patapata of them all.